The key trends on the digital TV market now are, let's say, based on the competition operators are going to face for pay content. We have seen in the past new entrants in this business, like Netflix and so on. YouTube is coming as well, and the next step will be the GAFA. So TV operators are going to face huge challenges in this area. So competition for pay TV content will be higher. On the other side, operators are facing a lot of fragmentation, which makes their life very hard. I mean, they are facing new standards, new technologies, a lot of suppliers to handle at the same time, and of course the legacy systems they have in place. The other part is on the consumer side, it's more and more difficult, to not say impossible, to segment the install base, and so comes the question of delivering a personal TV experience, and that brings a lot of challenges to operators as well in terms of infrastructure and solutions they are going to select. Historically, Alticast have been well known for the quality of its deliveries, the technology, the time to market, but the question is now the market has changed, operators are expecting a lot more. This year we show our new, let's say, tagline, which is inspiring your strategy, and this shows a big turn in our positioning on the market. The question is for us now to be more involved in the key strategic decisions for the operators in order to give them in advance more advices and make sure that all the choices they are going to make will match with their challenges. On the other part, matching with what I said previously about the fragmentation, operators want a supplier, a partner, helping them to make their life easier, and that's a big challenge for us as well. You know, where can we bring value to operators? How can we simplify their life? You know, and based on that, we have expanded our professional services, the scope of our professional services. It's mainly due to the scope of our professional services. I mean, providing technology is okay, but it's definitely not the end point. So in terms of professional services, right now we propose operators to be involved in their product strategy, in their technology strategy, helping them to make choice, doing sometimes comparative analysis. We work in a different way in the project management as well. Everything is based in co-work and partnership, you know, and transparent way of working. And this changes a lot of things because at the end of the day, the value comes from merging the constraints on both sides together, thinking together about the solution to be designed. As an example, we have a customer in Europe right now, so it's public, I can give the name, VU in Belgium, and that's precisely what we did with them. We co-work daily together, you know, for designing the new solution we are going to provide before the project in order to secure the project, manage the risk, and during the project for defining even the technology together and the architecture together. And as a consequence, we see the project, even if we have the pressure for the delivery, the time for delivering is quite short. We see the project is still on line with the predictions, I would say. We have a large portfolio from the backend TV platform, set-top box middleware. On the set-top box middleware part, we provide Android, RDK, Linux, of course with HTML5 user interface. We can propose as well our content security solution. We have a data analytic platform which is very powerful as well. So we can provide an end-to-end solution to an operator, even a greenfield operator. And we have as well the capacity to provide only few components if necessary in order to integrate our solution in a better way in the existing infrastructure. In terms of professional services, Obviously, we propose product customization, so we customize our own product for matching with customer requirements, but we are as well a master system integrator, meaning we can handle different third parties, the existing one or new third parties in a project. In order to succeed in the quality of the integration, we propose end-to-end solutioning architecture, and that's part of the co-design as well activity we propose to our customers. And we see more operators now having in mind to outsource their operations. And this last part will be a big challenge for many operators, but that's a trend on the market now that we will talk later on. In terms of key features and innovations, to me there are two parts. The first one will be linked to the big data and the artificial intelligence that are going to bring us to predictive tools. And for the operators, of course, it will be a dream to anticipate when the subscribers have a profile to maybe leave very soon, and to unsubscribe their services. We can imagine as well some tools that will provide to the consumer the content or the service he wants before he has to ask. So I think that big data mixed with artificial intelligence, serving tools for predictive things, services, will be something very interesting to analyze in the very near future, because we are working already hard on this part. The other part will be more linked with the business model. As I already said, outsourcing TV operations will be a trend. Even big operators are thinking about outsourcing operations, and that will be a big change in the way the market is organized, for sure.